Hi. This video will show you how to get files back when you can't see files in a pen drive but space taken. Let's start. This is my 8 GB pen drive. You can see it's almost 3 GB full. But there's no file inside at all. If I check the properties, it shows the space is taken. But I need to get my file back. So, go inside the pen drive. 3 dots. Options. Then View. But if you have problem like this, then come to Start, type Folder. And go to File Explorer Options. Come to View. Finally tick Show Hidden Files. Apply and OK. Now you can see that 2 zipped folders are there in this. These are a little bit blurred. To make them normal like earlier, simply select them. Right-click in Properties. Then untick this hidden checkbox. Apply and OK. Now you can see that 2 folders are now normal like earlier. And these are working fine. So, this is how you can simply get your hidden files back in your pen drive using some tricks. Hope this helped you and let us know on the comment box. Please subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.